Welcome to the best picks. The best RV shower enclosure is probably one of the most convenient additions for any RV enthusiast. Imagine enjoying a refreshing shower after a long day of hiking or exploring, without having to use public facilities. This enclosure provides a private and comfortable space, allowing you to maintain your hygiene and cleanliness wherever your adventures take you. It's a game changer for anyone who loves the freedom of the open road. Number 5. Dura Faucet DF SA170 WT RV Shower Kit. This RV shower kit features a 90-degree swiveling elbow connection. This innovative design allows for easy all-direction use, and it keeps unwanted guests out. The shower faucet has a 90-degree outlet and acrylic knob handles. It includes a 60-inch shower hose and a shower wand with a flow control trickle switch. This product is UV protected, ensuring it will last for years. It is designed to resist sun bleaching and maintain its appearance. The shower kit mounts into an 11-inch by 6-inch portal on the outside of your RV, camper, trailer, or fifth wheel. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. Dura Faucet is an American company with US-based customer support. Most of their products come with a lifetime warranty, offering peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This shower box features a unique 90-degree swiveling elbow, saving space and preventing hose kinking. The UV protection ensures it will last for years, even under direct sunlight. If you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting shower solution with a space-saving design, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Fit perfect on our Keystone toy hauler, came with 2 keys, which is a plus. Delivered in great condition. Super easy install. Made to last. Works very well. This was the exact replacement for our 2004 Forest River Sierra toy hauler. The original door was very weathered and yellow. It was warped to the point that it really didn't do much other than hold the hose from falling out while driving. This new door fit right in and updated the look and function of our outdoor shower. Number 4. RecPro RV Exterior Shower Kit with 51 hose. This cowboy shower is perfect for RVs, campers, and trailers. It provides an easy-access exterior washing station, keeping the interior clean. The long, flexible hose gives you plenty of reach. You can easily rinse off gear, pets, or yourself after a fun day. It has a 2.5 GPM flow rate, offering strong and efficient water pressure. You'll enjoy a refreshing outdoor rinse. It's built to withstand sun exposure without cracking or fading. This makes it perfect for long-term outdoor use. The shower comes with keys to protect it. This is great for campgrounds, parking lots, or any outdoor event. What we like. This kit provides a convenient outdoor washing station, perfect for rinsing off gear or yourself. The high-performance showerhead delivers strong water pressure for a refreshing experience. If you frequently camp or travel and need a secure and convenient outdoor shower, this is the one for you. What people say. The shower enclosure is easy to set up and take down. The enclosure is very sturdy and provides privacy. The design is well thought out and includes features like a towel rack and soap holder. Number 3. RV Exterior Shower Box Kit, White. This RV outdoor shower kit is designed for easy installation. It's a direct replacement for your existing shower, fitting standard RV cutouts. No tools are required, making the setup process simple and quick. Made with UV-resistant ABS plastic, it's built to withstand outdoor conditions. This ensures the product's longevity, providing reliable performance in various weather environments. You can count on it to last. The included coiled hose eliminates kinks and saves space. Compared to straight hoses, this design offers convenience and efficiency. It's a practical solution for your RV. It features a trickle mode to conserve water. With a flow rate range designed to save up to 30% more water than standard showers, it helps you conserve water. This is an eco-friendly and cost-effective feature. The product comes with a 1-year warranty against leaks and defects. If you encounter any issues, you can contact us for replacement parts. We stand behind our product. What we like. This RV shower box offers a simple, tool-free installation, making replacement a breeze. The coiled hose eliminates kinks and saves space. If you're looking for an easy-to-install, water-saving shower solution, this is a great option. What people say. Works well for what my son needed for his camper. We love the coiled hose as it is much easier to get back into the housing after use. Easy enough to install. Number 2. Colapz Camping Shower Tent and Pop-Up Toilet Tents. Introducing the Colapz Ensuite Shower and Toilet Tent. This provides you with the privacy you need while exploring the great outdoors. It's perfect for showering in your tent or camper van. This pop-up privacy tent isn't just for showers. You can also use it as an outdoor portable toilet by removing the draining mat. Mesh panels in the roof help with ventilation, keeping the space fresh. The tent is extremely spacious, measuring 2.1 meters tall. It's made with durable, high-grade PU-coated polyester fabric and a silver-coated lining for privacy and sun reflection. Setting up is a breeze, taking about a minute for one person. It collapses down to a compact size and comes with a carry bag, making it easy to take with you. Colapz includes lots of added accessories. The tent works with the Colapz shower system and other showers. Consider the Colapz folding shower stand to enhance your experience. What we like. This is not just a shower tent, but a versatile shelter for various outdoor needs. You can use it as a changing room, a portable toilet, or even extra storage. If you value privacy and versatility while camping, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Fácil de montar e desmontar, sono satisfado dell'acquisto. Einfach aufzubauen, bin zufrieden. Pour stocker notre frigo et quelques affaires en camping thumbs up montage et démontage trace rapide et trace facile trace satisfait merci. Number 1. RV Exterior Shower Box Kit with Lock, Black. This RV shower kit is made of durable, UV-protected ABS plastic. It's fade-resistant and easy to clean, keeping it looking new for years to come. The trim size is 13.39 L x 8.46 W x 3.94 D, with a cutout dimension of 10.83 L x 6.89 W. It includes a 59-inch vinyl hose and is easy to install. This shower delivers up to 1.8 GPM, perfect for rinsing off sand, bathing pets, or any outdoor cleaning. It provides a smooth and consistent water flow. It features a built-in faucet with dual acrylic knobs for hot and cold water. The shower wand has an on-off trickle function for easy control, and it's lockable with keys. The matte white surface and glossy white interior give it a quality look. The kit includes a shower faucet, a 59-inch hose, a handheld shower head, and the lockable box. What we like. This RV shower kit is made with durable, UV-protected ABS plastic, ensuring it withstands the elements. The lockable enclosure provides security, and the shower delivers a smooth washing experience. If you want a secure and durable outdoor shower for your RV, consider this. What people say. Exactly as described and fit perfectly. Easy to install. Works like a charm. These fit into place like a glove, look amazing and were easy to hook up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.